This week I will show you 3 ways to open and lift up your eyes instantly. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I will show you 3 ways to open and lift up your eyes this way. The eye lift doesn't always have to be this way, but you can also lift up your eyes this way. You can do this whenever you want to look awake and alert, whether you're meeting someone in a picture or in a Zoom meeting. The first way is to loosen the forehead muscles just above the eyes. When your forehead muscles get tight, they weigh down on your eyes. By loosening them, it helps to place them back where they need to be, and it naturally lifts the eyes and open up your eyes. Place a finger under the eyebrow so the eyelid doesn't move too much. And massage the forehead sideways with the other index finger on several locations. I'm doing 3 locations. You can use either hand that works for you. You could use 3 fingers, but you can give more detailed massage with a single finger. See the difference between the right and left? Repeat on the other side. You are also stimulating an acupressure point called Gallbladder 14, which is good for a frontal headache and eye issues such as redness, twitching, itching, and swelling. Now it's about even. The second way is to loosen the eyebrows. Gently press up the eyebrow and shake on several locations on each eyebrow. This also helps to loosen the eyebrow muscles and not weigh down and sag over your eyes. Again, you're stimulating acupressure points on the eyebrows that are good for eye issues such as redness, swelling, and eyelid twitching. The urinary bladder too on the inner end is also good for watery eyes, sinus congestions, and headache. EXHN4 in the center is also good for eye pain and clearing and brightening the eyes. And triple heater or triple warmer 23 on the outer end of the eyebrow is also good for drooping eyelids. The third way is to pinch and lift the eyebrows. Pinch and lift up the outer side. Don't squeeze too hard. Repeat on several locations. Switch side and repeat. I'm doing 5 locations here. You can do both sides at the same time too. When I do both sides at the same time, I always think of these Star Trek characters. The goal is to have the eyebrows lifted like Captain Spock. I'm just kidding. You can do just 1 or 2 or all 3 of them. You're not rubbing over the skin, so you could do this over the makeup, although the makeup might come off a little bit. If you do it too hard, the area you're massaging can turn red. The key is to do it gently because the area around your eyes are very sensitive and you certainly do not want to overdo it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.